Hi everyone. Yeah, I just here. So this is my reading for this is a timeless reading for everybody. Okay. You may try to check your sun, moon, and the rising. So alam naman natin, di ba? Kung para saan yon. You can watch three videos that represents your sign, sun sign, moon sign, and rising sign. Again, gagamitin ko yung take what resonates and leave what doesn't since ano to. Just as a general collective reading. All right. Starts with Aries. Hmm. Okay, Aries people. Interesting. Okay, Aries people here. Mag-iiba yung social landscape mo. Since Saturn is in entering your sign, isa din siguro yon na possibility. Mag-iiba yung social landscape mo to a point na mapapansin mo there are people who are silently removing themselves off of your life. Huwag kang masaktan because they are doing you the favor. Okay? So, unti-unti sila nawawala and at the same time, you will meet people. So, if you're single, then most likely this is the best time for you to mingle. Okay? Pero I don't think na love life yung target nito or love life talaga yung gusto niya na ipa-feel or ibigay sa'yo. More of I'm sensing more of sa professional na life mo. Okay? So, if you are looking for a mentor, or if you are looking for someone to work with or to collaborate with, then sa season na to, you might find that person. You might find a person that would help you to elevate your career life. Okay? So that's my reading for you, Aris.